Hi, my name's Amy from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have the gorgeous new Land Rover Defender D300 X Dynamic HSE. This vehicle has a diesel engine along with an 8-speed automatic transmission. And this particular model comes in Santorini Black, tying in nicely with its black accents. It sits beautifully on 20-inch 5 split-spoke alloys with a satin grey finish. It has some fantastic features, including premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, power folding wing mirrors for when you unlock and lock your vehicle, along with privacy glass to finish off its sleek exterior. Heading into the rear of this vehicle, as you can see, it is spacious enough for all of your personal items, along with a set of golf clubs or maybe even a pushchair. You also have the option to fold your rear seats to further enhance your capacity. Hopping into the back of your vehicle, here you'll see you have access to heated seats for both rear passengers, along with access to USB-C ports. Panning towards your part leather ebony seats, you have a central armrest for maximum comfort with a pair of fixed twin cup holders. Hopping into the front of your vehicle, you will see the same part leather environment continue. Along with your digital touch display screen, you'll see your Meridian surround sound system to give you the highest quality listening experience. And here you'll find your part leather seats that are fully electrically adjustable and heated. A good view of your sliding panoramic roof, idyllic for those sunnier days to give your vehicle an open feel. On your driver's side door here you'll find your memory seats to ensure every journey is as comfortable as your last, along with your electrically controlled wing mirrors and windows. Here is the gorgeous part leather multifunctional steering wheel. As you can see, you have access to your phone log to take those hands-free calls, your voice recognition system, limiting your speed with cruise control, or even accessing your heated steering wheel, perfect for those winter months. You can also control the display above, adjusting options such as vehicle, media, trip, and much more. This vehicle has done 15,254 miles, subject to change due to test drives. At the centre of your vehicle, you'll find your digital touch display screen, your leather automatic gear knob. Besides it, you'll find your 2-zone climate control, and just below, a storage compartment with your USB and USB-C ports. Just beyond that, you have a central armrest that can lift up to give you a large storage compartment. On your central display screen, here you'll see you have access to all the latest infotainment features. Here you'll see you can find your 360-degree surround camera for on-road and off-road purposes, making reverse manoeuvring and parking easier and safer. You can also find your climate control. Here you can change the direction of airflow, or even opt to sync your 2-zone climate control between driver and passenger. You can access your Bluetooth and add your device, or maybe even access your favourite radio station. Just below you have your 2-zone climate control. Here you can change the temperature of your vehicle for both driver and passenger. You can also find your heated and cooled front seats and adjust the airflow. As you can see, there is terrain response, which is displayed on the screen above. There are multiple options, making this vehicle perfect for any driving condition you may encounter.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1-year warranty along with roadside assistance. Please call us on 01785 899 446 or inquire online.